Question 9 says, a graph sheet is provided for this question, and it says a teacher marks an exam paper out of a maximum of 120 marks. It says the marks are converted to percentage. Calculate the percentage for student who gets 60 marks. If you get 60 marks out of 120, then as a percentage you get 60 out of 120 multiplied by 100. 60 out of 120 multiplied by 100, that's equal to 50%. Now right here, so now if you get 120 marks out of 120, then clearly you builds the paper. So you builds the Csec maths paper. All right, you get bills, and so you top the Caribbean, top Jamaica, top the Caribbean, top Trinidad, top Guyana, top Barbados. You did extremely well, 100%. Nice. It says now on the graph sheet provided on the next page, plot the information given. So give you a percentage on the marks. Now the marks is 120, so what I want to do is, I want to break it up so it's evenly distributed. To go up to 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So since it's going up by 12, right, 12 times 10 is 120, so I'm going to make each box be 10. So this is 10, this is 30, this is 50, this is 70, this is 90, this is 110, and so this is 120. All right, and we want to plot the graph now. So when the students got 60 marks, the percentage was 50. We put a point here. Then when the student gets full marks, 120, the percentage was 100. So this is just a straight line graph. This is nice and easy. This is exactly what you want, a straight line graph. You couldn't ask for a better exam. Straight line graph. Nice. So there we have it, we'll plot the graph. Next it says a candidate was awarded 95 marks on the exam. It says use the graph to determine the percentage. All right. Now what you're gonna have to do, it says using the graph. All right, using the graph. So you're gonna have to go to 95 marks. This is 100 marks, so 95 is in between. All right, let's go in between. 95, this is 100. This will be 95 in between. So if the person get 95 marks, then this is the person's grade. And we'll connect this over. So the line going over. So the percentage that I'm getting is this. All right, so if I get 95 marks out of 120, then based on our graph, you get 78%. All right, that's 78%. All right, based on our graph. Based on our graph, you got 78%. Now, if you were to check it based on calculations, it would be 95 over 120, and you times that by 100. All right, just to verify, 95 over 120 multiplied by 100 is actually 79%. This is actually 79%, but based on our graph, we got 78. So it's telling us that our graph is relatively accurate. Now it says a candidate is awarded a grade A if her percentage, so it's a female test, of course. It says that if she get 85 or more, she get an A. Use the graph to draw a line to determine the minimum mark needed to get an A. So imagine to get an A is 85 and up. That's really difficult. 85%. So if you need 85%, that means you're right here. And so that means the minimum amount of mark that you're gonna need is this. This is now 104. So that's 104. That's the minimum amount of marks you're gonna need. 104. Whoa, that's crazy. 104 out of 120. So the minimum mark is 104 marks, according to our graph, in order to get an A. Nice and easy, soft. All right, so we just went across on the y-axis. All right, we'll just look for 85%, connect it to our graph, and then look at the corresponding x value, which will be marks. So this 104 tell us how many marks you need to get 85%. So the minimum mark is 104. Part B. Part B says, find the G of 5. Find G of 5, you put 5 into G, and so G of 5 is equal to 5 squared, which is 25, minus 1 over 3, and that's 24 over 3, which is 8. So G of 5 is equal to 8. Write an expression for f inverse of x. So first you interchange x and y, so you write x is equal to 3 times y plus 2. Then what they tell us to do is make back y the subject. So you subtract 2 from both sides, and then you divide by 3 to get that. X minus 2 over 3 is y. If x minus 2 over 3 is y, then this is f inverse of x. Nice and easy. Now it says write an expression fg of x in the form x plus a times x plus b. G f of x. G f of x means we put f of x into g. All right, so put f of x into g. We put f of x into g, so we're gonna get 3x plus 2 f of x. I'll put that into g to have 3x plus 2 all square minus 1 over 3. All right, so 3x plus 2 all square over 3. When you work that out, it's going to be first term square, which is 9x squared, plus twice the product of the 2. All right, so I'm just expanding 3x plus 2 all square. When you expand this, you're going to get 9x squared. And if you cannot look at it that way and decipher how I'm working this out, don't be afraid to break it down as 3x plus 2 all square is really 3x plus 2 times 3x plus 2. Some persons might be able to look at it. For example, some persons can look at 5 plus 4 all square, and they can just look at it and tell that that's 81. But some person have to break it as 5 plus 4 times 5 plus 4. So don't try to skip the gun. You can take your time and break it down. Take your time and break it down. So taking our time and break it down, it is really 3x plus 2 times 3x plus 2 minus 1 divided by 3. All right, so working this out, what we're getting is 3x times 3x is 9x squared plus 3x times 2 is 6x times this, that becomes 6x plus 6x. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1. Now this 4 minus 1, I'm just going to write it together as plus 3. This 4 minus 1, just write it as plus 3. And this is being divided by 3. So since it's being divided by 3, the final answer is 9x squared over 3 is 3x squared plus 6x plus 6x is 12x, and 12x over 3 is 4x, and then 3 over 3 is 1. So this works out to be, let's write it in the form x plus a times x plus b. So this can be written as, due to lack of space, I want to write it as 3x plus 1 times x plus 1. But it wants x, it needs to be in the form x plus a and x plus b. So instead of saying 3x plus 1, we're going to write this as x plus 1 over 3. And that's that. Question 10, trigonometry.